Founder, member of BJP Manipur Pradesh and former Thangmeiband MLA Meinam Bhorot passes away due to an ailment today. A team led by President of BJP Manipur Pradesh along with the BJP members offered a floral tribute to mortal remains of late Meinam Bhorot. Meinam Bhorot was not only a founder member of BJP Manipur branch, but also played instrumental role in strengthening the roots of this party in the state. He was elected from Thangmeiband constituency as a BJP MLA in 2002. He has not only served as president of BJP Manipur Pradesh, but also national secretary of BJP. Mourning the demise of veteran BJP leader, BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sharda acknowledged the big role played by Meinam Bhorot in popularizing BJP in the state. While calling it a huge loss for the party and also for the state, A. Sharda remembered Meinam Bhorot as selfless, humble leader who dedicated his life in public service.
Bharatiya Janata Party bu masigi asiguma thaksi yaunanaba hotnabada achauba daita lawbiramba ex-president BJP Manipur Pradesh aduga ex-MLA aduga ex-national secretary mingoina thamjarabra Sri Meinam Bhorot ngasi akoi punamangpu thadolamdana kogi sorgi khuya yaukre mahakna taibangpan thadokiba haibase akoi punamakki kogi party organization ni mangjabada nattana mahakna Manipur gi damakta hotnabiramba mahakna MLA amoina mai pakpidana namdam asigi tawbiramba punamak asi yengaga Manipur gi oina asigumba matik magun leiba organization gi khanba selfless oiba aduga masada napan yaudaba asigumba leader ama mangjaki haibase akoi punamakki mangjabani.